foreign policy and foreign interaction need to be reviewed. I am calling on the Black Caucus in particular in the United States to intervene and pressure for there to be intervention on behalf of countries like ours. As I say, we do not make guns. But at least to put rules in place that we can trace who bought them and send them here. To put rules, when they say Black Lives Matter, it can't be Americans only. We are losing thousands of our people to weapons of destruction, not bought here, not created here, and not made here. If we have 145 ports that we have unofficial identified, and we're finding difficulty economically and otherwise, human resources to man them, and we know that a major source of these weapons is from the United States, or some of them is from the United States. So I'm suggesting that the government works through the persons who are more aligned to us based on certain realities, like the Black Caucus, to say to them, on our behalf, let us see what strategies can be used to increase risk to those who are supplying the weapons to our society.